Hi, today I'm going to talk about OmniChannel for customer service. So, first, what is OmniChannel? What is for customer service? Market is trending in the direction of digitization. In this kind of situations, providing a good customer service have many advantages. Like it represents your brand image, values, customer retention. Sometimes it creates some sales opportunities, and excellent customer service is always a competitive advantage. So customers don't think via which channel they are communicating. They just wanted to find an answer to their question or a solution to their problem. So they may reach out via different channels. For this purpose, Microsoft has come up with a solution to provide a customer service, a unified interface where it can serve different channels within Dynamics 365 CRM, which is this is called as OmniChannel for customer service. So these digital channels, which include chat, SMS, social media like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, many other channels. So if you see that we have different visitors communicating via websites, and they are reaching out to us. And we, at the same time, we also have the other channels like if you see, it's a WhatsApp request. We also have the people coming from Twitter and many other channels. Now that we have seen, we have requests from different channels, but we need to also understand the requests have routed to different users. So how is this routing happening? So there are many other options as well, you can transfer to another agent. You can see the available agents, their status. You can provide a chat, an internal message to this, which cannot be seen by the end users. At the same time, if you want, you can add a knowledge article. You can link to a conversation. From this conversation, you can create a new account. You can create a new contact, a new case, which can be created out of this. So for all these things, we need to configure certain things. So all these kinds of configurations can be done from the custom OmniChannel administration section. So if you see, we have the different channels on the left hand side, and queues, users configured for the same, bots, skills, work streams, and many other features where which we can see the later stages. Now let's see how we have configured a Twitter widget, or if we can see how we have configured the Facebook widget or a chat widget. Different widgets, how we have configured, what can be done in this, how do we configure routing, how do we distribute the work, and how do we set the availability of the users or the agents, how we route the request to the right agent, so that we will not waste the time of customers and users in routing the request from one account to another account. As a first step to set up the OmniChannel for customer service, we need to take a trial instance. And second step, it is very important to see whether we have a chat add-in available for Dynamics 365. So we need to select the regions, choose a product name, and then see whether that particular product is available in the region or not. Once this is identified, next step is to set up the trial instance. When the trial instance is set up, we need to navigate to the Power Platform Admin Center, and we should add the required users, and also we need to make sure that we have these two add-ins. One is for digital messaging, and another is for Power BI. So Power BI licensing. These two are necessary for setting up OmniChannel for customer service. These two add-ins are important, and at the same time, for all the users, we need to make sure that we have these licenses available and added to these users. Then only users can open the OmniChannel pages. And also, once these users are created, we need to assign the respective roles to them, and after that roles assignment, and rest of the part is a configuration of adding these users to different queues. So once we have set up the application or omni-channel for customer service, we need to navigate to our applications page, where we need to see our omni-channel is configured and make sure that all these things, all these services are enabled and approved. We need to also give data access consent, which should be agreed for accessing the different channels. Next thing, to set up the chat widget. Another important thing what is required is to set up the Dynamics 365 portal. So you can choose the Dynamics portal and add the portal add-on. Once the portal is configured, let's come back to the chat widget, where in the channels select the chat, create a new record, provide the basic information required. On providing these details and save the record, automatically you will get a code snippet, which this code snippet should be copied, like from the portal management, from the portals, in the content snippet section. You need to add this code snippet for the chat widget. Setting up a chat widget, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp widgets, all these things, like I'll just give a high level information like of what are the possible options. For the Facebook widget, we need to create our own page, and we need to navigate to settings and create the basic page settings, messenger details, and we need to configure these things. A step-by-step process is already available, which I will explain in another video. So for Twitter as well, we will have the developer.twitter.com site, where we need to create an app and set up the required environments. And for SMS and also for the WhatsApp messaging, we need to set up a Twilio account. Once the Twilio account is configured, we need to configure the SMS configurations in our Dynamics 365 CRM in the channels page and also in the workstream page. Now I would like to tell some important points or the challenges which I have faced while setting up or configuring all these channels. The first thing is, like, in case if we are seeing that post operation Facebook page create plugin issue, or a business process error, pre-live chat config create plugin issues, any of these kind of issues if you are seeing, means like we don't have the required chat add-in in that particular location setup, is one of the option. Second thing, we did not do all the prerequisites, like giving the data access consent, and these two things which should be properly checked. So it is very important to note that we need customer service enterprise licenses, omni-channel digital messaging add-on and the respective licenses, and a Power BI license are required for configuring and setting up this omni-channel system for customer service. Second thing, for configuring all these channels, I have referred to many articles from Neil, Varun, CRM Ninja and many other, which provides a step-by-step configuration of this setup, which were very helpful to configure within a day. And in the next videos, I will try to explain in detail about other items which can be set up, which are helpful for data masking needs, skill-based routing, and many other configurations. Hope you have enjoyed this and noted some important points and the challenges which we have been facing in setting up omni-channel for customer service. Thank you.